I'm Laurie.
And I'm Tamila.
And we're discovering Raleigh, North Carolina and beyond. And today we're here at Deep River Brewery for
The Sip and Shop Small Business Pop-Up.
That's right. Let's go see what we can find.
Hi!
How are you?
I'm good. I'm Laurie. And this is...
I'm Tamila.
And
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too. We're from Discovering Raleigh and Beyond.
All right, you do yours.
We got 24 different beers on tap, anywhere from a sour to lagers, IPAs, stouts, barrel-aged beers. Kind of trying to go with the season and everything like that. Yeah, we have a 30-barrel brew house, 15 different fermenting tanks, 4 bright tanks.
What was your name again?
Ty, T-Y.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
Almost 6 years. Yeah, on the production management.
Is that how long has the brewery been here?
9.5 years now.
Besides beer, do you have anything else?
We have guest seltzers, or we have 2 seltzers of our own. We also have guest seltzers and guest ciders.
Oh, okay.
I'm Lindsay. Yes.
What's like one of the most popular ones that
Beer-wise?
here?
Well, right now we actually just came out with our margarita Goza, so it's Morgan in charge. But taproom-wise, our most popular is either our Cottontown, which is our lightest lager, or our Mango Tango, which is our flagship IPA. It's what we're known for. We're also dog-friendly, family-friendly.
Hello. Good. Is
The ring hook game. The ring hook. Yep, you gotta get the ring on the hook and keep digging each other.
oh, okay.
So I'm told
Here.
there's videos on TikTok right now.
You know how to do it.
Yep, he's good at it. He's fine.
Oh, good.
So,
You did it slower.
Yep,
I think I might do.
you're fine. No, I know he makes it look way too easy, doesn't he?
So that's why he's made
That
that.
means you don't want to play against him.
Maybe just trying to let it go lightly. I'm trying.
I always tell everybody is the fun ones are 30.
Okay.
And that includes all the college teams that we do. And then we have some mini 2-persons that are 20.
Oh,
We have some mini 4-person ones so you can have 4 people play and those are 25.
Okay. That's really cool. That was good.
Gotta watch it out.
Oh,
It's awesome mojo. You have it. There you go. Yeah. Ah! I was not gonna give up. Thank you. I guess they have.
My name's Rick DeMattos. I'm the founder of the Liquor Sauces. I started doing this when I lost my job to COVID, making fresh marinara sauce and selling it to friends.
can I get a close-up of that?
Certainly.
Okay.
So over time, I had people ask for something that didn't have any heat in it, so I made balsamic basil with twice the basil of the marinara and no heat whatsoever. And it became a fan favorite as well. So about 2 months in, I started getting emails from people across the country asking me if I could ship to them, and I couldn't because I was making these fresh. So I learned how to can. And then before I knew it, I had small specialty stores asking if they could stock my product. I'm in 16 stores across the state, and I have a small sales team. We do 4 or 5 events every weekend in and around Raleigh, sometimes on the coast, sometimes in the mountains. And people ask me, you know, what's the biggest satisfaction out of this? And at first it used to be the way people reacted to my sauces, and now it's the fact that I am employing people and giving people opportunities to make money.
Do you have a favorite yourself?
I do. I like the chipotle pepper sauce. I have it on eggs a couple of times a week. It makes an interesting soup base and a great take on a new take on sloppy joes or anything with ground beef, stuffed peppers.
Okay. You can use it for tortilla chips.
You can.
And then you can use it for soup base, you said?
Yep.
And you said for what else?
You can braise meats in it. I did lamb tacos one time.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, threw some lamb shanks in the oven, some sauce, and a little bit of stock. Took about 2.5, 3 hours. Fell off the bone, and I just tossed it in the remaining reduced sauce. Made some great tacos. And it's also really good in a Bloody Mary.
Ah.
Follow me on social media. Try the orange.
Yes, I would.
There we go. Give that a little stir because the sesame oil goes to the top. And if you let it still get straight a little bit, that will tilt as well and you get a nice taste. Just come straight out. Just add ginger and then finish just creamy with orange.
That is so yeah.
I had someone make a berry dessert with it. A bunch of,
That is delicious. I'm going to be so satisfied with
That. Thank you so much.
thank you. Thanks for dropping by.
Marley. Is there anything that stands out that you enjoy the most about doing this?
Well, these are all beers that we have tried over the last couple of years at the house, craft beers. And I get ceramic tiles and switchblades from Habitat for Humanity Restore so I can repurpose them. And hopefully make stuff that, you know, is cool for people's cars in their homes or their beach houses or man cave, she sheds, whatever you got.
And was that the name of your business, or what is
Yes.
that? Okay.
Named after my beer drinking cat.
Beer.
He really does like beer. He's
Okay.
also been known to drink red wine and scotch. The beer is when he smells like the beer, he gets super excited about it. So he's not actually don't actually let them drink beer, but they sniff it and they're like, ooh.
Yeah, they love the smell. Oh,
Thank you
okay.
so much.
You're very welcome. Oh, okay. And so do you own this business?
I do, yes, absolutely.
And what is the name of your business?
It's called Jule Cooke Creations,
Okay.
with a J.
With a J. And how long did you say that you've been doing this?
So overall, I've been doing artwork and selling it for about 5 years, but in 2020 I broke my leg, and from that point forward, I just had time to sit down and draw a lot. So from there, I started with stickers. I mostly do lettering things.
Do you have a website?
I do have a website, yes. It's jccreations.shop.
Trying to build your own.
And is this your business name? Honey?
This is absolutely cute.
Oh, cute.
So Emily runs this. She just stepped away to get food. She makes and designs all of the polymer clay earrings, super lightweight clay earrings with hypoallergenic backings, chapstick holders, and these are actually wallets that you can put like your card and money in, and it like because of the elastic will hold it all together. Yep, and they're all hand sewn, same with the scrunchies. Once and said it's soft clay, and it feels really, it does really feel soft.
Oh, he's so cute. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
These feel Laurie.
And I'm Tamila.
And we're signing off, discovering Raleigh, North Carolina and beyond. Please watch us again and subscribe. And then also hit the notification bell so you can see our future videos. Thank you.
See you next time.